Hi, and welcome to the range of motion test. In this test, you will measure your neck active range of motion. Please follow the instructions carefully. Start by sitting up straight, relax your shoulders, and look straight forward. During the test, make sure to move only your neck. Don't move your upper body, shoulders, or your chair. In the test, you will be requested to move your neck in different directions. In each direction, move your neck until the end of your range and then return to the center. If you feel pain or discomfort, please stop the measurement. These will be the motions. 1. Right. Rotate your head right and back to center. 2. Left. Rotate your head left and back to center. 3. Up. Move your head upward. 4. Down. Move your head downward. 5. Right side bend. Bring your right ear towards your shoulder and back to center. 6. Left side bend. Bring your left ear towards your shoulder and back to center. At the end of the session, you will be able to see the results. Enjoy the measurement, and good luck training!